How to make YouTube shorts from a existing video. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be showing you you can create a YouTube short from a existing video. So to do that, just head on over to your YouTube video and you're just going to go into your channel over here and you will open up your video. So just go into the video that you want to create a short from and just open the video in a new tab over here like this. And once you have opened up the video, all you have to do, this should be the video that you want to create a short from, and it should be from the account that you have uploaded the video on. So I uploaded my video on this account called Jane Doe, and I have logged on to YouTube with the same account as well. So that is something you need to do if you haven't logged on to that account. Once you have opened up the video, simply click on Remix over here. So you can see the Remix option. Just click on Remix, and then you will click on Edit into a Short. Now, just like that, you can see that you can create a short from your video. So let's say I want to create a 6-second short video. I can do that. I can also drag adjust the video, and you can create upwards of a 15-second short, or you can click on the top right over here. So you can choose a 15-second or a 60-second clip from your entire YouTube video to create a YouTube short. Once you've selected the part of your video that you want to convert into a short, simply click on next over here. And once you have clicked on next, it will just take a couple of seconds, and then you can enter any kind of text on top of your video. In your YouTube short, you can enter a voiceover as well. You can also enter timelines and different filters, and then you will just click on next once you've made any of the relevant edits, and you can add a caption to your short. So that is how simple and easy it is to create a short video out of a already uploaded video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you in the next video.